this video, I'm actually going to demonstrate the before and after micro link or I-tip extensions on natural hair. And we're going to begin with, of course, everyone has a shampoo and condition. You always want to work on natural clean hair. And then we begin the silk press. With this method, you would always want to make sure that the hair is manageable. Sectioning off the hair is always key because when you do things as far as when to pull it up, it's always going to look natural. This process is very tedious, but the end results are very natural looking and it's very flawless. It's not that much tension on the client's head to where I can move it, brush it, comb through it, pull it up, and stuff like that. With this technique, you always want to make sure that the coverage is always looking natural. So even in the beginning of the service, the middle, and the end, you always want to do like a tester pull up ponytail just to make sure that, you know, when the client is not with you, that when they style their own hair, that it looks natural. Every client is different. Everyone has a different texture of hair, grade of hair, length of hair. So I highly recommend a consultation for every appointment. So we can discuss, you know, the things that you've done with your hair, what type of texture your hair is, and what type of extensions you would like to add. That's very important because if you do not, the hair is not going to look natural. And when your natural hair starts to change, whether it's humidity, whether it's, you know, your natural curl pattern starts to come back, you want the hair extension to blend. With this particular client, she actually wants a left part. So I'm placing the extensions up to a certain point, and I'm actually putting more extensions to the right. That's where, you know, more of the bang area would swoop over to. And not everyone wants one-sided part. Some people want to have more flexibility to have a left part, right part, middle part, but that's where the consultation comes into play. Now I would repress the hair, not to put too much heat on the hair, but to make it blend. And as you see, her hair is blending perfectly with the extensions. And you just apply a little bit heat. You can turn your flat iron down. I typically do, just to have the extensions in the hair to press out and blend together to make it look very, very natural and flawless. I'll probably add some curl or a little, feather as well, just so it can give it more style and dimension. But with these type of extensions, depending upon the hair that you use, you can always color these extensions. If she ever wanted to get some highlights, there will be a way that I can just highlight the extensions, and I can go red, blonde, I can do whatever. I can make these extensions custom. I would recommend doing the color before you put the extensions in. But if you wanted to, say someone has like a natural black with a ombre, honey almond, or brown, you can customize the extensions while the hair is installed. Now, this is a service that I would recommend you only leaving in up to about 6 months. After 6 months, in between, you want to make sure that you are shampooing the hair correctly, and as well as you're coming in for maintenance, which means taking the links apart, moving the hair up, and moving the extension up. Well, moving the bead up and then moving the extension up. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, all of the information will be linked after the video is finished. And thank you again for watching.